Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today, comparing photo quality on the Insta360 1R 1-inch module and the GoPro Hero 9 Black. The colors, right out of the camera, are more vivid on the GoPro and flatter on the Insta360. The flat profile on the Insta360 leaves more room for color addition afterwards. The eye dynamic range is better on the Insta360 1R in my opinion. You have more light on the darker areas of your image, and despite that, the brightest zones are not as blown out as on the GoPro Hero 9. Here, another example of better dynamic range on the Insta360 1R 1-inch edition. Cropping both images in to 400%, you can see better detail and less noise on the picture shot with the Insta360 1R. In my opinion, the photo quality is one point where the Insta360 1R 1-inch really shines when being compared with the GoPro Hero 9 Black.